Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Geometry Dash on PC. So if you want to download Geometry Dash on PC, what you have to do, first of all you have to go into the browser. So whether you are using Google Chrome or any other browser, you can go and search for BlueStack. Okay, now here you have to search for BlueStack. Now BlueStack is an American technology company recognized for its creation of BlueStack app player for gaming. So now what you have to do, just click on this BlueStack and you have to download it in your PC. And after that, so when you download it, you have to open and install in your PC. Now I have installed it in my PC. Now I'm going to open it. So like this, now you will see like this. Now you have to search for here, you have to create an account, and after that you have to search here geometry dash. Okay, now search for it. Now here you will see all the games. So now you can download any one of them according to your choice. So you like this, you can download and install Geometry Dash in your PC. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.